There were some IKEA people at my place today, actually. They were nice, they did a good job, very clean. Got rid of all the trash afterwards. Oh, but... you know, at some point while I was watching The Office, my mom called. So I pick up the phone and we start having a long conversation, you know? And my TV, I didn't set this up, but somehow my TV, it's like a smart TV, I think. When I don't do anything with it for a while, it goes into like an AFK mode, you know? And I was on the phone, so I didn't notice. You know, there was one of the builders was in the room at the moment, and then the screensaver shows up, and let's just say it's a little bit of a spicy picture. And I'm like, oh shit. And I quickly turned off the TV, but I'm not sure if the worker saw it or not, because in theory, he was looking in that direction in the moment. But yeah, I was hoping he didn't see. No, it takes like pictures, I think, from my Google Drive. I will not go into detail what kind of spicy picture it was. But it was a bit spicy. I was really fast though, so it should be fine. Cloveless Gura. No, I don't have a cloveless Gura on my T-drive.